What?
It makes sense now.
No.
This thing doesn't get a feature.
This thing is crazy.
What the fuck is this? Whoa! Whoa!
Science.
Two lows, because
Science.
there's two motors.
It's a VR12. It makes sense now.
You get exhaust sound from all four corners of the car. No matter where you're at, you can hear the car exhaust. You gotta tell me the story about what the hell's going on here. This is wicked. So this is a VR12 Volkswagen.
Yeah, it's got just two VR6s, one in the front, one in the back.
You make it sound so simple.
Yeah, it's not really.
Yeah, I'm sure. So it's got two VR6 engines.
Yep,
How big are the
V6.
turbos?
Those are the GTX 35, 84. I think they're 67 millimeters. Something like that. I'm not exactly sure.
What do you use for transmissions?
It's got a SQS sequential dog boxes, so that makes
Front
it
and back.
possible. So it's on H pattern.
So when you're shifting an all-wheel, you're shifting both at the same time?
Yeah, the way it works is, this one's the rear, this
Yep.
one's the front, and then I flip it, lock them together.
Oh,
Run
cool.
them both like that.
Brilliant.
And, so yeah, I can flip off and on the throttle bodies, front and rear. I got front and rear burnouts, and I can head launch control on either the front or the rear burnout if I need it.
So you shut up the throttle body so it just idles?
Yeah, it just idles.
So you're not
it
killing
just-
the motor?
Yeah, it doesn't kill the motor.
Interesting.
At first, the first year I had it with cable shifters, and that was just a nightmare.
When I was looking through the back at the back motor, I saw the two screens and I was like, I wonder what that's for. So you have two separate ECUs?
Yeah, two separate ECUs, two separate cooling, two separate everything. Systems. There's two of
So it
everything.
makes it simpler but also more
Yeah,
complicated.
but like all the times whenever I break it, I can always drive it back to the piston front. If I break the front axle or seat joints, I drive it back into rear wheel drive.
so if you
I'm
blow
never-
your motor, you still have one
yeah,
left.
I'm
It's like
still-
a
never
plane.
Stuck. Yeah.
So somewhere over 165 is your goal today?
Yeah, I do 165 and a quarter, so if I can best that, that'll,
Oh, yeah.
that'll be a success.
Gotcha.
So we'll see.
So you haven't done half mile yet? Well, the nice thing is you don't really need traction that much here until you
Right.
start getting into. So you can just run a rear
So
motor if you
yeah,
wanted.
these wheels are a lot heavier than what I normally run, so I can just take it off real nice and easy, and then get into it when I have to get on the track. So
Cool.
see how it
Well,
goes.
thank you for bringing this up. This is
Yeah.
gonna be fun to watch.
no problem,
It's fun
man.
just
Glad
to
to be
look
here.
at.
Yeah, cool. Man.
You can look at this for hours and find
Yeah,
new
that's
stuff.
fun. Believe me, I spent years making the thing. So.
We'll have fun today.
Yeah, thanks, man.
I forgot to ask you, did you dyno this?
Yeah, it's about 720 to the wheels. That's at my shop in Silverthorne.
So is it 720 for one motor? For each, so
Yeah, to the wheels.
technically 14.
Yeah, I mean,
Okay.
you call it 1600 horsepower. That's safe to say.
I don't know on the video, but he only started his front motor. It's so fucking weird. And by the way, he's only doing his licensing pass, so he has to do something between a 170 and a 180. He'll be slower than what he can run, but he has to do that to certify before he goes faster here.
I think the GTI is going to get it done. 1600 horsepower.
The 183 with Kyle bringing it.
It's a 183 for the GTI.
That was fun.
Hell yeah.
Holy shit. I'm on the wastegate springs.
Are you?
That was 14.7. That was 200 kPa.
Wow. 183, is that right?
Yeah.
That's badass.
I'm scared now.
Are you?
Because, I mean, there's just, I could, I don't know, man.
The aerodynamics aren't quite
Yeah,
where.
it's not there. I mean, I'm floating down there, like,
Weird stuff happens when you
Yeah,
get
it
over
does,
160, 170.
So I'm easing. That's the fastest I've ever been in a car in my life, you know. So
That's probably the biggest adrenaline rush you've had
yeah,
in a
dude,
while.
that was pretty sick.
Hell yeah.
It's awesome. I'm so
It
glad I
looks
brought
so
out.
good doing it too.
I think if I do a nice aero package on this thing, man, this thing is made for this
Yeah.
kind of race. Man.
Nice
Yeah,
pass.
that was cool. Thanks.
Hell yeah.
For that Volkswagen, 2 motors.
$161.
Yeah.
I'd say it's a good pass. It's a lot shorter than a half mile.
Yeah, no. I mean, it does 165 usually a quarter, but I was kind of scared. I was sliding around the back, so I thought.
Oh, were you?
Yeah. Fourth gear was like moving around a little bit, so
Yeah.
it should be fine. I'm gonna take some power out of it, I think, before I crash it.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna slide around.
It's a good pass. We actually waited to make the feature on this Volkswagen after the half mile here just for today, because what's going to be really crazy about this car is watching it drag race. All right, 1 of 2 burnouts down. How weird is that? Front wheel drive burnout, then rear wheel drive burnout. Hell yeah. Oh my God. Almost an 8. He almost ran an 8 in that thing. That is fucking crazy. That was almost an 8.
Bro, that's
Holy shit.
twin engine.
God damn, that was nasty. That was even cooler than I thought it would be. Woo! Holy crap. 906?
Get that
Get it,
8-second
man.
pass tonight.
I like it's teasing me.
You have to smile after that one.
That was great. That was actually my
Jesus.
personal best. 9.1 was my best.
Really?
So yeah, I think I will hold a little bit more power in third gear, and I can get an 8. Plus,
The sun's about to go down in like
Yeah.
20 minutes.
I think I'm gonna leave it where it is. I like the launch.
Yeah.
I caught a 140, 60 foot, so
That looked good.
that was pretty cool.
And the shifts weren't even that crazy. Like it
I'm
was
using the
just
clutch.
smooth.
I'm using the clutch right now, so
Being
I still
safe.
got a flat shift I can use, but I'm not. Yeah, I don't want to mess it up.
Yeah, no, that looked. I didn't
So-
think it was gonna be that quick. It just looked. It looked so smooth.
That actually was a good pass, man. I feel good about
Yeah.
that. For me, my first drag pass in a little while too. So
Hell yeah.
yeah, it was fun.
Right back in the game. And when you did the front wheel burnout and the rear wheel burnout, the crowd's like, what the hell?
Yep.
I love it.
You're all the time doing it. So.
That's exactly what I was waiting to see.
That's fun, man.
So cool. Congrats. So cool. wanted to see an 8 from that car, but as he's told us, there's a lot of R&D and a lot of tweaking as he takes us out every time, and break, fix, repeat, one hell of a car. My favorite car of the year so far. I don't know if we'll top that, but so cool.
No! I feel so bad. I owed the track. I thought I just broke a CV joint, and I drove it down the track.
It was popping real good.
Yeah, you know, I told myself I'm just gonna go for a good launch.
Yeah.
I sent it, and that's what happened. So I don't know what happened exactly yet. It looks like the gearbox is leaking gear oil, so gearbox case just exploded. That's never happened.
Oh my God.
Well, my transmission mount held.
Yeah, that's a
But the
bonus.
transmission didn't hold.
That's a bonus.
I can't believe I just did that down the track. That sucked.
Most cars just stop working, but you have the front
Well,
motor.
maybe it done. I thought I heard it dangling, fucking around there. I thought for sure that I just snapped the CV joint.
Yeah.
That's usually what breaks.
They had a pass in it, that's for sure. Well, thanks for the show.
Yeah.
That was a treat
Well,
to
I
watch.
think I did well.
Yeah. Like I said, my favorite car of the
I
year.
wish you would have held, man. If it
Yeah.
had, I mean, that was a launch right there. I sent it. You know, I dumped the clutch.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, it was moving.
What's up, guys? Thanks for watching that video. If you have not checked out our merch store recently, there's over 100 items on there with a bunch of new releases. We'll have a link in the description below, so make sure you guys go check that out. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right there and check out these couple videos over here. Also, go ahead and check out our new channel, 1320 Video Uncut. We're gonna have a whole bunch of unseen content on that channel right there, so make sure you stay tuned and check that out. We'll see you guys in the next video.